saying in Colorado, never plant before Mother's Day. And, we're just about 10 days, 2 weeks out from that. It's a little unusual, but we see this, and then we get a lot of the tree limb breakage.
We're busy. It's going to be a long day, a long wet day.
I've seen storms late in the season, but nothing like this where, trees are almost fully leafed out and we get this super heavy wet snow this late with these like cold temperatures for multiple days, and that's pretty hard on us. That kind of the community rule was Mother's Day was the time to pull the trigger and do that. But it seems that kind of pushing it off a little bit, a little bit later in the year, we're starting to see these snowstorms in mid to early May, and it's just crazy.